There are times when you want to make an assignment extra credit. So obviously then you don't want the students to be punished or penalized for not doing it, but you wanted to add on extra points if somebody does do it. To do that, it's really pretty straightforward. First, you just create your assignment just like you would in anything else here. So you create an assignment. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the gradebook setup. And in here, we see I have my assignments in this category. We see the points that each one is worth, and then the total is 510 points for this particular category. What I'm going to do, let's take assignment number 4, and I want to make that extra credit. What I do, I don't make it extra credit when I'm setting it up. I have to do it from back here in the gradebook setup. I click on Edit and Edit Settings. Then I scroll down to the bottom, and there's this extra credit here. So if I click that box and then Save Changes, first of all it's going to recalculate the grades, but then to show you the difference, before, if you notice, this was 510 points total. Now it's only, I took this 100 out, so now it's only 410 points total. And you notice this plus minus here, that tells you that this assignment is extra credit. So it's only adding up these 410 points, and if a student just doesn't do this, they still could get credit for all of these, but if they do it, then it would add it extra in there. So that's why the total doesn't include it. But like I said, the key is to look for that plus minus in there. And sometimes as you're looking at your grade book, you want to scan through and see if you have those. Sometimes your grading isn't what you think it is, and it's because you happen to have a couple things turned on as extra credit. But the key for this is you don't set it up when you're first creating the assignment in the Edit Settings part of the assignment. You have to go back in here into Gradebook Setup and do it. If you have any questions with this, just fill out a help desk ticket and I'd be glad to work with you. Thanks.